What's going on, everybody? My name is DJ Carlo Tendido and welcome to the third Scratch With Me video. So for the new people here, let me briefly explain how this video concept works. It's pretty simple. I'll first play a beat, then I'll do a specific scratch combo for 8 or 16 beats, and then I'll stop scratching, let the beat just play. Once this happens, it'll be your turn to start scratching. So try to emulate scratch combo I just did for you guys. And do that for about 8 or 16 beats as well. Once you're done doing that, I'll come back in and do a brand new scratch combo for you guys to emulate. So for this video, being the third one in this series, let's focus on our chirps, flares, and forwards. So grab your controller and your laptop and download this beat and let's begin.